Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to talk about our PD680 AIV electronic air cleaner, negative ionizer, VOC removal. The unit is actually fantastic for filtering down to 0.01 microns. Ideal for family, living room, kitchen, large bedroom, office spaces. It can be used as a tabletop or a floor model unit. We actually use a DAX solution on all of our electronic air cleaner products, okay? DAX solution is the actual product that's used to clean the pre-filter and the actual main cell on all of our electronic air cleaners. The instructions are well displayed and written and self-explanatory on the back of the unit, okay? What we're going to do is I'll show you in a moment once I take the three components out of here. So three aspects of the unit are the pre-filter, which is a washable filter. Again, we try to simplify it here by basically don't have to buy another filter ever again with an electronic air cleaner, because electronic air cleaners are electronic precipitators. So what we have here is our electronic air cleaner pre-filter. All come in different sizes depending on the model of the unit. So we recommend rinse the actual pre-filter in warm water, give it a good spray with our DAX solution, rinse off, let it dry for 24 hours. The cell itself, remove from the unit. You're going to spray the cells on about 5 inches away in a 45-degree angle on both sides of the actual cell itself. 45-degree angle, spraying with our DAX solution. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Rinse off, and you're going to let it stand for 24 hours on a 45-degree angle to ensure you're drying the plates out completely. The unit also comes with our carbon filter, VOC removal, and odor control, okay? This is the only filter you're going to replace every 6 months. Once the unit's dry completely after 24 hours minimum, you're going to put the unit back into operation. Install your carbon filter. If it's more than 6 months, we're going to get it replaced. If not, just leave it, put it back into operation. You're going to put the main cell back in itself. You're going to put your pre-filter, big side mesh towards the cell at all times, okay? Just protects it from larger particles. Put the unit back into operation. You got 3 speeds on the unit itself. So the unit comes with the indicator lights on it. Red will be for the power and green will be for the negative ionization. Turn your power switch back on. Red light, green switch for your negative ionizer. 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. Factory warranty, 1 year on all the parts.